YouTube. What's going on, man? Y'all already know how we doing it, man. It's Wave King Porter, and I'm back at it with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about how to get waves for beginners, but we're going to be mainly talking about stage one, all right? The ripple stage, the stage that everybody hates, all right? So make sure y'all stay tuned. We about to get it in. So let's go. Welcome back, man. Like I said, man, we're gonna be talking about the ripple stage, stage one, what you need to do and what you need, all right? So that being said, I know you got that uncle, that grandpa in your family that tell you the only thing you need is a brush and some water, all right? But listen to me good. Not everybody has waves, all right? A lot of people have ripples and they think that they have waves. And that being said, check out this picture right here, all right? This right here is a prime example of ripples, all right? Those are not waves, these are ripples, all right? You get what I'm saying? You gotta work your way up to get waves. And the 6 things that you're gonna need for stage one of your wave journey in the ripple stages are, number 1, a brush, all right? You're gonna need some type of brush. I recommend a brush like this, like Wave Enforcer, where the bristles are in line. And the reason being, when you're brushing your hair, you can look at the brush and kind of see what brush angle you're going with. Now, we're not worried about brush angles in the ripple stages, all right? We just want to be brushing, going crazy. You want to look at a pattern, okay, I want 360, and I'm just going to brush my hair the way I want it to lay down, all right? You just want waves to come in everywhere. You want to get past the ripple stage. If your hair is straight, you want to see some type of waves. If your hair is curly, you want to brush it until it lay down, and then you see some type of waves, all right? It don't matter if you got 2 ripples or whatever, but that's what you're trying to do. You're trying to get the ripples in there and make those ripples turn into waves. So the first thing you're gonna need is a brush. The number 2 thing that you're gonna need is some type of pomade like this 360 style, all right? I grabbed the 360 style back in the day. I do not use this now because, you know what I'm saying, I'm going up to the next level in my wave journey. But for beginners in your ripple stages, stage 1, you're going to need some type of pomade. And the reason you want to have that pomade is so your hair has hold. You know what I'm saying? Only thing that waves are is laid down curls, all right? So you want to have that pomade to help lay your hair down and have that hold to hold your hair in position while you put that do-rag on and save your progress, all right? The number 3 thing that you're gonna need is some type of daily moisturizer. You're gonna need this daily moisturizer. The longer you brush, the drier your hair gets, period. No matter what you're trying to do. You get out of pool, your hair is wet, right? You start brushing it, it's gonna get dry. You need daily moisturizer to keep your hair moisturized so you can go on longer brush sessions so your hair stays nice and moist and wet. Because when your hair is wet and moisturized, it's easier to see those waves coming in, and you'll see faster progress, and you'll see the waves rejuvenating super fast, all right? So make sure you have a daily moisturizer of some sort. If you don't feel like Curl Enhancing Smoothie is a product for you, you can try Double Buttercream by As I Am. I tried that before. It actually works really good with beginners. The 4th product that you're gonna need is a shampoo, all right? Make sure you get some type of shampoo. I don't care what kind of shampoo you get. Go to your local hair store and pick up a shampoo. I recommend something by African Pride or Cantu, something that's reliable, that's gonna get the dirt and the grit out of your hair. People swim a lot, you work out a lot, you brush a lot, your hair's gonna get dirty. That's what I'm trying to get at. But you need to wash your hair. And that leads us into the 5th product, which is conditioner. You're gonna need the conditioner to protect your hair. You're gonna need protection after you get all the dirt and the grit and all that good stuff out of your hair. All that bad stuff, excuse me. You're gonna need a conditioner, which is the good stuff, to actually help you protect your hair against all that grimy and dirt coming back. And then the last but not least thing is a do-rag, all right? This is your money maker. Make sure when you get this do-rag, it is a satin do-rag, a silky satin do-rag. A lot of people like to start off with the velvet and the cotton and the designer and this, that, and the third. But if it's not a silky satin do-rag, you're losing. You're not on the winning team, all right? The reason you want that do-rag to be silky is because it lays down your hair the best. Cotton and velvet and all these other do-rags lift your hair right back up. As soon as you put it on, they look good on top, but under the bottom, they don't have the satin silky that you need to lay down your hair as a beginner to keep you going on your ripple stage. Right, now that you know all 6 things that you're gonna need to get you through stage 1 of the ripple stage in the wave game, there's a routine that I would like to give you because I know that it works. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you try it out, all right? And that routine is brush your hair, apply moisturizer, apply a do-rag. Make sure you always saving your progress, and then repeat it again, all right? So brush your hair, moisturize, and rag up and save progress, all right? 3 things, and you will have waves very soon, all right? Now, with those 3 things being done, like I said, you need a shampoo and conditioner. Do not forget to wash your hair. In the beginning, you can start off washing your hair once a week or whatever you want to do. If you feel like your hair is still itchy or whatever, wash your hair 2 times a week. Or if it's super itchy and you got dandruff and stuff like that, wash your hair every day. It's not going to hurt you. You know what I'm saying? Only thing that you got to do is remember to brush, apply the moisturizer, and rag up. That's all you got to do. So that's all I got for y'all, man. That's the end of the video. If the video helped, you know what I'm saying, make sure you drop that like. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below how I did or whatever you feel that's on your mind. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and make sure you turn on that post notifications bell so when I post a new video, you know. That's all I got. I'm out.